So to conclude the presentations about the Living Lab 2 in The Hague within the LEAD program, some results and some insights and conclusions. As we already explained, we are not at the end of the pilot, so more results are yet to come and we will also share them with you later. But these are some first insights that we gathered. So to get to a hyper-connected city, we need a lot of connections between people. So we started by inviting many organizations and people of logistic service providers, municipalities, other governments to think along on how we can reach a hyper-connected city. We did some workshops to gather insights, but also did some site tours to let people try parcel bikes themselves to make it more fun. And here are some first insights from that. So the key to hyperconnectivity is that we build towards flexible and connected business models. And for those business models, the hard factors are not the bottleneck. So all the technology that we need is already there, but we need soft capabilities. So we need to trust each other, but we also need to realize that that could be challenging for parties. For example, it is quite hard to share all your information because your information is your value. Also, it's quite hard for logistic service providers to lend out a client that you fought really hard for to get. So trust is something that needs to be built. But the government and governance can help increase this trust. For example, municipalities can regulate, so they don't allow certain types of vans in the city center anymore, or they can stimulate through subsidies or other stimulations for logistic service providers to work together. Now, in the end, we also found that all partners really like the digital twin side to really be able to test the different scenarios on how to improve their services. Well, the results of the pilots I more or less shared already, but really briefly again. So for crowdshipping in the Netherlands, a relatively high remuneration is needed, but there could be potential and we're going to test the potential. It could be interesting for really local to local volume or outlier parcels that are really big, or maybe student bringers that need less money to bring a parcel. Then for the lockers, we see propensity to collaborate between logistic service providers, especially not the biggest one, but the sub-top, the local heroes are really like to work together. And the design solution that we made may take many problems in the neighborhood away. Well, the open city logistics network is something to be designed and to be continued, but trust is key to achieve this. And as I already said, we will present more results to you later in the year. So once again, and for the last time, my contact details, I would really like to thank you all for your attention.